The Daily Code Snippet. This week, let's start by talking about how to load a background image into an element. In order to do this, we will use the background image property. This property can be used to load in one or more images into a single element. It is always good practice to set a background color for the element as well, just in case the image is not available. To set the background image, we use this syntax. URL indicates we will tell the browser where to find the image. In this example, we have also set a background color, a light gray color. The default for a background image is to be placed at the top left corner of an element and repeated both vertically and horizontally. By setting a background repeat, you can have the image not repeat. So in our example, we have added a CSS rule for background repeat and set it to no-repeat. When using more than one image, separate them using a comma. And you can also indicate whether you want to repeat the background image or not by using a comma to separate your commands. In this example with two images, the first image will not repeat, but the second image will repeat. Next, we will look at an example of this code in use. Presented by Designers Learn Code.